So the first thing about the lighting system on the interior is this little button right here. This little button right here is going to be up or down. It's for the lighting system on that side of the house. And if I hit that button again, they automatically come on. That's important to know when you first come in the home. You walk in and that lighting system, you can just hit that. It'll automatically light up the entire area over by the kitchen. The second thing you need to know is where these top lights and where that button is. And that little button is right here where when I hit it, it goes off and then it goes on. That's important to note. Over here is also the same lighting system where if I hit it, it will go off. And if I go the other way, they will come on. The other button here is for the garbage disposal. And of course you have outlets there. I know this seems a little remedial, but it's good to know. Let's talk about the microwave. Very, very, very important. This microwave is extremely confusing. So the way the microwave works is first you have to decide what kind of service you want on the microwave. Meaning, do I want it to be for popcorn? Do I want it to do microwave, or do I want it to be a convection oven? What do I need to do that? What do I want to do? So most cases, you're going to be heating up leftovers and things like that. So you'll hit microwave, then OK, right? Then you'll set your time that you want the microwave to go, like for a minute, and then you'll hit start, and then it'll start. So first pick what you want it to do, hit OK, pick your time, and then hit start. And that's a very important part of that thing that most people get confused, and it creates a phone call and nobody knows how it works. Here the controls are set above. It's a little confusing. This house was built, we did not build this house, this is the way we bought it. So essentially what you've got to do is kind of close this and kind of hit your thing on the button and then hit start. I'm not going to go ahead and start it, but you understand how it works. Just kind of hit it, it'll start and kind of go from there, should you choose to do dishes while you're here. And that's kind of it for this area that you need to know. If we go over here, let's talk, well, actually there's some other stuff. Let's talk about the TV and how that works. And let's just go. It's going to be one controller that does everything. And all you're going to do is you're going to hit the TV button, and then you're going to hit on, and you'll see it start to click on. And then you're going to see the cable button. Hit the cable button. Except you have to turn it this way because your cable box is over there. And then when you do, oh, I'm glad this happened. So what you're doing, what you have to realize is on this TV is you have a wireless signal coming from that little device underneath the TV over to this device right here. So what I'm going to do, if this happens to you, so I'm glad it happened tonight, because that also saved a phone call, is I'm going to disconnect the power from the back of this, which is on this side right here. Just kind of take the power out and then put it right back in. And of course, let me just put this down for a second so I can do this. Okay. So now I have it powering back up, right? And then I'm going to go over here and do the same thing. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to take this off and I'm going to power it back up. And then what's going to happen is they're going to be looking to communicate with each other. And you can see how the TV's changing. So that's really good that it happens, because that does happen from time to time. We're not really big TV people. So therefore, we don't really deal with it that much. And that is how that system works. Now, the only other system that may be of interest, we'll wait for the TV to kick back on here. The only other thing that may be of interest is the pairing system. So when this thing is on and it's pairing, which it's doing right now, it's looking for something to pair with. So if you decide that you want to do your smartphone, you just pair it with this system. Essentially, you just turn it on and it'll automatically look for a phone to pair with. This is the volume. And what you want to do, DVD set. Okay, this is Bluetooth audio. So you turn it to the left to Bluetooth audio, and then it'll look to pair. So as you turn it, you can go, all these other things, DVD, satellite, game, whatever it might be. But when you go to Bluetooth audio, give it a second. It'll automatically look to pair. So then you want to go to your Bluetooth device. You want to activate your Bluetooth ability, and then it'll automatically pair, and you guys can connect together. And then you'll be able to control the speakers to the outside on the lanai area. So that covers everything. And if you look, our TV is back on. So all you did was disconnect, reconnect those two pieces to the puzzle, and you have TV. And of course, we have everything that you need, everything HBO, and it's all in HD. So hopefully that'll work out well. And then of course, your volume controls are all right here. Again, I don't really watch a lot of TV, but you can turn your volume control active TV. Just keep in mind that when you want to change channels, you have to turn it this way because your cable box is to your left. It's a little nuance to it, and that's it. Other than that, everything else is pretty self-explanatory. If you go over to the box, this is the little thermostat, pretty standard, nothing special about it. Other than that, everything else is pretty self-explanatory. I will push this desk back. This is my work area for my internet business or from the cybersecurity side, and kind of go from there. And I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We're generally always available, and we'll be happy to answer any other questions that you might have that the video does not take care of. Thank you so much.